Okay, so here's my collection of motors. Got a vintage Dayton motor, old garage door motor, and a washing machine motor that from our old washing machine. I have one other motor from a garage door motor, but it's buried under a bunch of crap in that closet there. So yeah, for now, these three will do. And with the dog. So this is a vintage garage door motor, probably from the 70s or 80s. I don't know, maybe newer, maybe older. Yeah, and it does work. I'm going to put the wires into the live emitter on this IEC lead that is actually for one of these big old plasma TVs. There's me. And let's see here. Let us see here. Okay, it's red. Put that on the live. And brown into the neutral. It has a lot of torque. There it goes. See, try to kick over. I robbed this off of a garage door opener that was on the side of the road near my house. Let me see if I can get this wire in here better. Keyed in. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm just trying to jam this wire into the hole. Like Happy Gilmore, get in your hole! There it goes. So this wire is going to the capacitor, and this motor is reversible because remember, garage door motor. So just really trying to kick over. Hold on to it. Yep. It has little oilers in it too. Put lubricant in these little tubes and it goes down to the bearings. One on the front and one on the back. This is one of the bearings. This is the end cap of it. Yeah. Let's see. 4.7 amps, 125 volts, 60 hertz. Oh, sorry, this is 115. 1/3 horsepower. 54 to 64 microfarad, 330 volt AC Mallory capacitor. Start and run. And this, sure enough, this says 55.0 MFD microfarad. Yeah. 1500 RPM. Like how this has all the little labels on here. This motor is from our old washing machine that broke down. That still works great. But yeah, this has the really old school belt type on it. Yeah, this has a new style belt like you can see on a car, like a serpentine type belt. But yeah, I'll do another video on that and another video on this really ancient Dayton motor that I have. See, there's the little jam nut, which, if I'm not mistaken, looks like it's missing. Oh, that's just way down in there. It's just way down in that hole there. Yeah, works great. Alright, so we have this Dayton motor. See, there's this little spec plate. Made a plug for it. Oh, thank you, 4 o'clock timer for my ceiling fan, bulb, and lamps over there. Anyways, yeah, this. So I'll plug this from there. This is from an old jumper pack that I took apart. So this out of the way. This one has a stand, so it'll try to torque over, but it'll just jump. It's really smooth. Like, took it apart, cleaned it up. I want to repaint it. It has little lubricant ports here and here. Again, it has a little base plate, pulley, old school pulley, just like this one. This probably could have been used to run anything, really. It is a any horsepower, 1/4 horsepower, 1,725 RPM, 115 volts, 60 hertz, 6 amps, standard North American stuff. split phase AC motor, because this can be reversed, believe it or not. So I can muddle around inside there and move some wires around, and it'll run in the other direction. So right now it is running clockwise. I can flip some wires around in there and make it run counterclockwise, just like these other two motors here. Really quiet too. Nice and smooth. A little bit of shaft play back and forth. It's kind of normal for this kind of stuff. Yeah. On to the next one, the washing machine. Right, so here we have this washing machine motor from I think it was a Whirlpool brand washing machine that I took apart because I think one of the lid lock on it broke, and that just rendered it useless. We thought, you know what, instead of paying a repair guy to come and fix it, we're just going to buy a new one. So we bought a new one, and it has a nice little agitator in the center. The other one, it just had a little hump in the bottom, that was it. This has a belt on it, or a belt pulley, the grooves in it. Yeah, this is more like what you find on a car nowadays. You used to find pulleys like this in cars. Now you have pulleys like this in cars. So let me flip this over here. Yeah, and like these three here can run in reverse because this washing machine will go, you know. Yeah. There's this little fan on the back, so I gotta be careful of that so we don't get nothing hot in it. Capacitor, I don't see any specs on it at all. Probably because it was never meant to be serviced. This is a Welling motor, 1/3 horsepower, so I think this one is 2. And yeah, this one, these two are basically, this is 1/3 horsepower, this is 1/3 horsepower as well. 120 volts, 60 hertz. 3.5 ounce because this is newer, so it's going to draw a bit less. It's more efficient. Thermally protected. Cap 50 microfarad. Part number W10006487. Revision A. Unplug washer before servicing. Foshan Welling Washer Motor Manufacturing Co. Limited. Used motor only in clothes washer. Ooh. I'm going to be a rebel and power it on outside of the washing machine because, yeah. Alright, so we got our 2 power wires here. Stripped. So we set down the camera here. There we go. I have to hold this thing down because it's going to try to jump away, just like the garage door motor. Put one wire into the IEC lead that was used to power a plasma TV. It's nice and thick because plasma TVs take a lot of power. Just, you know, just like an old CRT chunk, you have big relays and all that clunk. You turn them on, you know, click, 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 click. So I'm going to need to hold this down, and the dogs are getting fed. And here we go. Really smooth running too. Takes a while to slow down. But it slows down. This one actually doesn't. It torques over, but it doesn't try to just completely run away from me because it has these little things on the side there. Yeah. I don't know. See if I can make a bunch of stuff with these motors. Yeah. That's that. Socket on there, socket on there. It's very modular. This one was all hardwired in. This one had this wires on it, and I just added this plug to the end. Yeah, and I strapped the projector to the PC. That'll be in another YouTube video sometime soon. Yeah, this projector on the wall on this piece of paper that I strapped to my wardrobe. It's duct tape. I'm a bit crazy on it. Oh, and I made this hinged. I put a DVD drive in there. It's nice. Yeah. And I have a 3 terabyte FireWire drive that I can plug into there too. This FireWire actually works in this under Ubuntu Linux. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again soon. Peace out.